Welcome to the Easy Laser XT System tutorial series, presented by the CEO of Engineering Dynamics, Christo van der Walt.
Today we are focusing on setting up the lasers. Begin by installing the shaft V-brackets. Given the cost of the measuring units, it's crucial to handle them with care during installation. This is why we attach the brackets first and ensure they are securely installed on the alignment machine. We can install the measuring units and start with the adjustments. First, we switch on the laser systems. The goal is to adjust the laser units to the same angle displayed on the top of the measuring units. Loosen the V-brackets and adjust the laser units on the shaft by rotating them slowly to match this angle. With the angles matched, open the values program to complete the adjustments. Add both measuring units to the display via Bluetooth. Proceed to the next screen where you'll adjust the laser unit up or down to center the laser using the thumb screws on the side of the units. The result should be less than ±0.2 mm.